This is typical of an older tiller or mower axle. Step 1. Drill or punch a centering divot in the axle. Step 2. Remove all retainers, such as roll pins, bolts, or clips. Step 3. Insert puller base behind wheel and secure with quick grip bar and wing nuts. Ensure puller base is snug against the back side of the wheel and centered. Step 4. Insert puller paddles through puller base. Step 5. Insert puller through paddle rods. Add washers and spinner wing nuts. Ensure the puller is snug against the outer side of the wheel and forcing rod is centered on axle divot you made earlier. Step 6. Turn forcing rod with breaker bar, impact wrench, or ratchet. End results: the easy removal of any wheel.